Did you know that some gifts or transfers are exempt or disregarded for someone trying to obtain Medicaid benefits? I'm Chris Bratton with Bratton Law Group, and we focus on elder law, asset protection, life care planning, estate planning, tax planning, special needs trusts, guardianships, and business succession planning. When someone's applying for Medicaid, some gifts or transfers of assets are disregarded for Medicaid purposes and exempt from any penalty. Transfers between spouses are disregarded. Medicaid views spouses as one unit, so any transfers between spouses are disregarded for Medicaid purposes. Gifts to a disabled child may also be disregarded and free from any penalty period when someone's applying for Medicaid. But we have to be careful in determining what benefits that child may be receiving. If they're on Social Security disability, then we're probably free to transfer those assets to that child and it won't disrupt their SSD benefits. SSD benefits are, they focus on earned income. But if that child is receiving SSI, they're probably also receiving Medicaid, and there are asset limitations that go along with that. So transfers to a child that is receiving SSI or Medicaid may knock that child off of those benefits. So we have to be careful with those types of transfers. Also, transfers to a caregiver child of a home of the Medicaid applicant may be exempt as well. But there are certain restrictions that go along with that. The child has to have lived with the parent for a period of 2 years and provided a level of care to that parent that kept them out of the facility for those 2 years. If the child meets those requirements, then we may be able to transfer that home to the child free of any penalty period. However, make sure that you understand your state Medicaid rules and your county rules as well, because they may differ. Sometimes these types of transfers are difficult to overcome. If you need any assistance with Medicaid planning, asset protection planning, call us at 856-857-6007 or visit us at brattonlawgroup.com.